Hello and welcome. We're so glad that you could join us. This is Blockchain Training Alliance's course on blockchain project management. Well, throughout this course, we're going to talk about everything you need to know to successfully manage a blockchain project or initiative from conception all the way to MVP, or full product release. We have a lot of interesting things to talk about in this course because blockchain is such a dynamic and revolutionary space. We're going to spend time talking about the aspects of project management that you're likely already familiar with, aspects that blockchain and Web 3.0 technologies don't have a significant impact on. But we're also going to spend a lot of time looking at parts of the project management lifecycle that are drastically upended or redefined by the presence of decentralized technology. We've got a lot of great interesting stuff to talk about. And so first and foremost, I want to thank all of you for making the time to learn about this exciting new subject.